All right, in this video, we're going to talk about investment hack number 2, and that is investing on a platform that offers zero commission trades. So if you've watched my channel before, you know I like to mix it up as far as the setting, the scenery, the background, and you may be wondering to yourself, yes, there is a reason that I'm at a local football stadium. And I'll let you think about that while we talk about investing with commissions versus commission free. So it used to be very common for you to pay a fee each and every time you made a purchase or a sale in your investing platform. It might be a percentage of the transaction, or it might be like $15 a trade or $8 a trade. If you are still paying commissions on your trades, that's a shame, because all across America there are different brokerages that will offer $0 commissions or commission-free trades. In some countries, you're still not able to get this. I would just encourage you to make an effort to get the very lowest fees that you possibly can. Basically, it comes down to this. Each and every time you buy or sell, you're chipping away at the capital that you have to work with in your investing. It might seem like a very small amount, but when you're trying to maximize the percentage increase that you can get off your investment, those little amounts really add up. Most of us that do individual stock investing, our goal is to beat the S&P 500 index. And so if you say, okay, it's on average going to do about 10% per year. So what if you're giving up 1, 2, 3, 4% over the year in your commissions? Now you're having to get a 14% return on your investment just to break even with the S&P 500. All right, the reason that I picked the football stadium for the video today, when I think about paying commissions, it reminds me of a football team that keeps getting penalties. You've seen those games where they just get the offense going and then they get a penalty and they have to move back. And then they get another play or two going and then they have to move back. And suddenly, next thing you know, they lose the ball because they can't make any progress because they keep getting penalties. And that's how I feel when I hear about people paying commissions, even small ones, on the investments that they're making. You make a good investment, but you get hit with a little fee. You don't plan on selling, but eventually at some point you might decide to sell. Now you get hit with another fee. Maybe then you turn around and reinvest that capital into your next investment, another little fee. It's a little penalty that you keep paying to your brokerage that's just unnecessary. I hope you're finding these investment hacks helpful. Be sure to click through and watch number 3, the next one coming up. It's an investment hack that I've never heard anyone else on YouTube ever talk about in the financial space. There may be other folks out there who talk about it, but I've never seen it. So make sure to give that one a chance. Until next time, have a great day. So the reason I picked the football stadium, it's the windiest place on earth, and we get a plane. Sure, why not?